Good morning, everyone. Kind of a gray day for caravan. We've only got two houses today. Both of them are new construction. This is Lot 1, Weeping Willow Way in Andover. It is listed for $2.4 million, actually $2.495. It's a 5,628 square foot, 5-bed, 4.5 bath house. It is sitting on 1 acre. It does have a 3-car garage. The development is still being built. There's, I believe, 7 lots here total. Looks like they've got 3 started. This one is also available, and this one is move-in ready. It will do slight customizations on some of the properties, but they don't want to deviate too far from their designs because of permitting reasons. Beautiful house inside, gorgeous kitchen, unique floor plan, so you're not getting a cookie-cutter colonial New England house. Good curb appeal, beautiful home, nice fixtures on the inside, beautiful range, in-cabinet, microwaves, high-end appliances throughout. This is a gorgeous house with a beautiful little sort of like half farmer's porch, it looks like there. Interesting look. You are on the north side of Andover, so you've got really good access to the highways, 495 and 93, and you're probably about 7 to 8 minutes from downtown Andover. Doesn't seem overpriced at 2.4. It's a good house. I think it's gonna make somebody very happy. And we're at our second and final home on caravan today. This is 124 Lovejoy Road. This is a 7-bed, 5-bath, 5,351 square foot home. I know it doesn't look like 5,000 square feet in there, but it is. This home is listed for $2.295 million. A lot of high-end fixtures inside. Kitchen is absolutely gorgeous. I think we've got first floor options and second floor options for master bedroom and laundry. This home is built on a slab, which is pretty rare in New England. You're not going to see that very often. Lovejoy is a very popular road. Although it's one of the busier streets you're going to see, it does have a sidewalk and connects directly to the elementary school and has direct access to 93, 495, 133. It's a great location. I'll be very curious to see what this home ends up selling for. I'm looking forward to showing someone this house.